Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 15 Pro Max for Quickout Wireless. So the iPhone 15 Pro Max is now here at Quickout Wireless. You guys will have 3 storage options, 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte of storage. So as I'm recording this video here, only the black titanium version is available for the 256 gigabyte iPhone 15 Pro Max here. So you guys will have 4 colors to choose from here: black titanium, white titanium, natural titanium, or blue titanium color options. The 256 gigabyte iPhone 15 Pro Max is $1199.99. The 512 gigabyte iPhone 15 Pro Max, that is $1399.99. And the 512 gigabyte version is completely out of stock. You can see right there. And then the 1 terabyte iPhone 15 Pro Max, that will be $1599.99, and that is also completely out of stock as well. So the only option that you have as of right now, as I'm recording this video here, is 256 gigabytes of storage and black titanium for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Alright, so yeah, so there is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. You guys have your screen there, your cursor there for your dynamic island, power button on the right side of the phone, volume keys on the left side of the phone, along with your action button. There's the back and right side back of the phone, triple camera system, camera flash, Apple logo, right side power button, and your antennas there for your 5G and stuff like that. On the back of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is your triple camera system, camera flash, Apple logo. So the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a 6.7 inch display, 48 megapixel main camera, 3 storage options, 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte of storage. It says here iPhone 15 Pro Max, forged in titanium and featuring the groundbreaking A17 Pro chip, a customizable action button, and the most powerful iPhone camera system ever. Features: display. The 6.7 inch Super Retina XDR display with Pro motion ramps up refresh rates to 120 Hz when you need exceptional graphics performance. Dynamic island bubbles up alerts and live activities. Plus with always on display, your lock screen stays glanceable, so you don't have to tap it to stay in the know. Camera. Your incredible framing flexibility with 7 Pro lenses capture super high resolution photos with more color and detail using the 48 megapixel main camera, and takes sharp close-ups from far away with the 5x telephoto camera on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Safety. If your car breaks down when you're off the grid, you can get help with roadside assistance via satellite. And if you need emergency services and you don't have cell service or Wi-Fi, you can use emergency SOS via satellite. With crash detection, iPhone can detect a severe car crash and call for help if you can, so that is a very nice feature to have. Specs: the iPhone 15 Pro Max has iOS 17, of course. It has that obviously your dimensions are 6.29 inches height, 3.02 inches width, and 0.32 inches depth. The display on the iPhone 15 Pro Max is 6.7 inches OLED display. The memory, I don't know why it says 64 gigs, that is wrong. It is 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte of storage. Connectivity options. It includes 5G, sub-6 gigahertz in millimeter wave, gigabit LTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3. Camera, it has a Pro camera system, 48 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and then a 12 megapixel telephoto camera lenses on the back. The processor, it has a A17 Pro chip, new 6-core CPU with 2 performance and 4 efficiency cores, new 6-core GPU, new 16-core neutral engine, battery built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Hearing that compatibility is there. If you guys need accessories for your iPhone 15 Pro Max, go to Amazon and get your accessories there. So yeah, do you guys have it? The iPhone 15 Pro Max is now here, quicker wireless, all 3, only the 250GB storage option is currently in stock as I'm recording this video here, and only the black titanium version is in stock. So if you guys are looking to get like the best iPhone this year, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is worth taking a look at here. It has a titanium it does have the titanium design on there, the feel and stuff like that, which is very nice. I wonder if it's like scratch resistant. I'm not sure, but it's very nice to have and it's very cool. So yeah, the iPhone 15 Pro Max has everything that you guys want. It has a big screen, it has 120Hz refresh rate, it has Type-C charging, it has the dynamic island, has everything that you guys want in a iPhone. It has everything that you guys want. So check it on out, and it's worth checking out. So yeah, do you guys have an iPhone 15 Pro Max? So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.